In this video, I'll detail how to turn off auto brightness on iPhone XX Max. So, if you have the iPhone XS Max in the iPhone X series and you discover that your iPhone screen brightness automated, it increases and it decreases, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable the feature that automatically adjusts your iPhone XS Max brightness or screen brightness. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off auto brightness on iPhone XX Max, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility, then locate and tap display and text size, then scroll down to the bottom, then you should see auto brightness enabled. Go ahead and turn this off. Once that is disabled, just go back to your iPhone home screen, then scroll down the control center, then you can now adjust the brightness to suit your need. And once you adjusted the brightness, then let it go. This is going to disable the automatic brightness on your iPhone XX Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.